Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to pin Facebook group. When you pin your Facebook group, it helps Facebook group to appear at first of your list of groups. You can pin up to 10 groups at a time. To pin Facebook group, first open your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon with 3 lines on the top right corner. Then here you need to look for groups option. If you are not being able to see groups option, then tap on see more option and look for groups. After you tap on groups, now here you can see for you. As you can see here, no groups has been pinned. Now tap on settings icon on the top. With this, now tap on pinned groups on the second. Now here you can select the groups that you want to pin. To do that, tap on the pin icon near the group name. With this, you can see the pinned group on the first. As you can see here, my Hello Login Aid group has been on the top. Now you can go back to the groups. Then you need to reload the page. With this, you'll be able to find the pinned group on the top. As you can see here, my group that has been pinned is appearing on the top. This is how we can pin Facebook group. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.